Hi everybody! Today I want to give you a true walkthrough through this sailboat Sun Odyssey 449 that was built in 2018. It's a fantastic boat, and now I will tell you why. Because I will show you first the highlights of this model from Jeanneau, and then I will show you what extra add-ons and improvements the charter company Olympic Yachting did for this ship to make your cruising even more comfortable. Sun Odyssey 449 has a furling mainsail, and you see all the ropes that are coming here from the rig are disappearing in the deck, cleaning and going to the cockpit. Then we have the traveler here, also the traveler ropes that disappear on the deck. All the ropes that come from the rig come out here in the cockpit. It's absolutely easy. You can handle the whole sailing maneuvers right from the cockpit. The sheets coming in to the winch, and the ropes, the loose ropes, just disappear in this box. Very neat, so no ropes between your feet while you're sailing. This is a great improvement. Of course, this model has also a comfortable bathing platform. In this boat it is to lift up manually. A man can easily pull it up. It's much faster than a hydraulic one. Offers a lot of space to sit and to jump into the dinghy. This is the electric panel of the Sun Odyssey 449. It has only a few buttons, very easy to understand. You don't need to press a lot of switches just to find out how to switch on the cabin lights. It's just one of these switchers, and then you have cabin lights in all the cabins. And the control for the water tanks works perfectly. Batteries, everything. Now, the best of this sailing boat I'm showing you now. This is what Olympic Yachting installed here, and is really useful for the GNC, where in the ports you often don't have electricity, shore power. So this is the solar panels here. As you can see, they're installed here. They're absolutely sufficient to support your fridge 24 hours and all other electricity devices on board. Even you can use inverter to load your laptop or your mobile phone. We haven't been using any shore power in the last 4 days, and the fridge is cool. We have full battery power of between 12.5 to 13 volts. This is a control display for the solar panels. You see we have high noon. We have now loading them with 13.8 volt. The engine battery and the domestic battery, they're loaded with more than 13 volts. Even haven't been using this engine the whole day. The chart plotter in the cockpit can be moved to all sides. This is very flexible. You can move it up and you can move it down to the right or to the left side, right where you need it. So it doesn't matter on which side you're steering. You can always be sure to have the best view to the chart plotter. They have these excellent bags for the ropes. This is very useful, so you don't have to store them in the boxes in the cockpit. They're always here where you need them. The boat is fully equipped with RAYMARINE instruments. Those are really great to handle, easy to customize with different views, and excellent display even in sunlight.